So kapag seller is individual, then the 2307 should be WI. But if corporation po siya, it's WC. So bear in mind po, ma'am and sir, na when we talk about withholding tax, for example, payable po kunyari, we should base it on the point of view ng kung sino yung pinagbabayaran, meaning yung nagpro-provide, yung seller. So for example po, ang nagpaparenta sa atin, tayo yung nagpaparenta, no, lessor tayo. So kapag tatanggap tayo ng 2307 from our clients, pag individual tayo, we should expect yung WI. So kapag seller is individual, then the 2307 should be WI. But if corporation po siya, it's WC. So it should be on the point of view ng ating seller, yung ating i-issue na 2307 kung anong alphanumeric tax code niya.